This is tutorial number 10, and it covers how to use the shell feature within Autodesk Inventor. Now to start off, let's open up the part file, let's click File, and let's open up the shell tutorial part, which I've included on the DVD. So I've already made 3 shapes that we're going to shell. So to start off, what we're going to do is we're going to shell the cube. So to do this, let's click Shell, and what you have to do is click the face that you want to shell out. So let's click this face first. Click OK, and if we rotate this around, you can see that we created a 1mm shell, taking away that one face. Now let's edit this, click Edit Feature, and if we change this to 10mm, we're then going to have a 10mm thickness all the way around with our shell. Click OK, and you can see that it's 10mm around instead of 1. Now let's delete this shell, and let's shell this circle here. So let's click Shell, click that face on the cylinder, click the circle, click OK, and if we zoom in, we've created a 1mm shell, taking away that face. Now if we right click it, edit feature again, we can again change it to 10 mils, make it thicker, smaller, whatever you want, and we made it 10mm and it's thicker. So now let's delete that one again, and this time let's shell this part on the side. Now what we're going to do is we're going to click Shell, we're going to click this face here, click OK, and now everything else is shelled within this part. So let's rotate this around, and you can see that even the cylinder inside is a 1mm shell all the way around. So everything on the part except the face that you select turns into a shell with the thickness that you've selected. Now let's delete this shell, and we'll click Shell again. Let's click this face, we'll click this face here, and we'll click this face. Now we're shell all 3 of these parts with a 1mm thickness. Click OK, and we can see that that part shelled there, the square shelled, and the cylinder. And that concludes our tutorial on how to use the shell feature within Autodesk Inventor.